Hi, welcome to Apurva Thavagal YouTube channel. This is a video regarding crackers and the price at the time of 2020. In here, I have to brief the functions of the crackers and its prices. In that, we have to explain all varieties of crackers such as aerial outs and 30 shots, 60 shots, and that Wala items. Wala items are starting from 100 Wala to 200 and 300, 600, 2000, 1000, 5000, up to 10,000 we have Walas. After that, all you are eagerly waiting for the what are the items you have in that multiple shots. Multiple shots means it's available from 12 shot and 12 shot truckling called Laka, and another one is 25 shot. After that, I already explained 30 shot, 60 shot. Another, there is a 120 shot available in that area. That is a Titanic. It's called coconut truckling. Its price will be higher from the normal. And after that, 240 shots. All the crackers are available. After that, you all know about that children's items and the running items. It's about flower pots. In that flower pot, there are some varieties named small, big. If you want to know that, it's a flower pot big. It's flower pot big. Its price will be 40 till now. After that, the price may be vary in next 10 days. It's flower pot special. Its price was 55 just now. This is flower pot Asoga. The price will be 75. The price I have tell is after the discount only. All the price are I have tell is after the discount only. Now the price of 240 shots. It's 240 multi shots. It's going 240 times. Okay. The price will be 2000 rupees. For each shot, the price will be below 10. It's really very low price and affordable cost. It's very efficient one. Its functions are really terrific. After that, you need to know about the prices of 12 shot Laka. The price at Laka price for the next 7 days, it will be just 125 rupees. After that, the price will be definitely 150. And you need to know the color coded deluxe and some other items. It's a flower pot and its timing is very large and it has large curves. The price, this item, the price will be 300 rupees. Okay. After that, we go normal color koti. The color koti normal, the price will be 150 rupees. Each box have 10 numbers of flower pots. After that, you are eagerly waiting for the prices of this bomb items. For bomb, it's a classic bomb. The price will be 55 rupees. It's called 5-play bomb also. And another one is Chakra. This is Chakra special. The price will be 50 rupees. Actually, I have sent the price is, the rate available in the price is 100 rupees. After the 50% discount, the price will be 50. Like that, all the varieties of crackers are available. And this one is called bomb. This is half kg bomb. The price will be 100 rupees. This is called Big Boss, Adial, and some other items. In general, it's called paper bomb. It's in generic word, it's called as 250 gram bombs. In approximately, it's just 200 gram only. The price will be 50 rupees after the discount. After that, you all ask about what are the fancy item you have. What are the bomb item? This is hydro bomb. The price will be 37 rupees 50 paise. And this is Gorilla bomb. The price will be 55 rupees. It's also equivalent to the classic bomb. And another one is 555 forms. The 555 form is equal to 7-play bomb. Actually, its price will be 125 rupees just now. Before in Diwali, we are selling it from 60 to 100 only. Now the prices are a little bit high due to this corona issues and labor issues. Okay, and all things are available. The main cost of the 1000 Wala, the 1000 Wala price will be 190, and the 2000 Wala price will be 375. 5000 Wala, the price will be 950. The prices are without GST only. For transport and minimum cost. What are the minimum costs? For southern state like Bangalore, for Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Kerala, the minimum price will be 5000. For northern state, the minimum purchase will be 20,000 and above. GST will be 18%. GST will be compulsory applicable. The transport charge should be paid by you only. You supposed and the total amount is fully 100% advance only we can take order. Otherwise, it's not possible. And the COD is not available. Only prepaid orders only are acceptable. After that, do you have any clarification or do you need prices? please message me in WhatsApp. I will send the details. Definitely the price I have tell is only for this 7 days only. After 10 or 15 days, the price will be changed to new. Some items only, the price of some items will be maybe higher. Thank you for watching Apurva Thagalgal. Please subscribe and get more updates. Thank you.